Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix stuck on loading screen on Oblivion Remastered. So what I'm going to do first is to just go into my Steam application because I got this game through Steam, and then I'm going to click on library, and as you can see you should now be taken here. So now I'm just going to find Oblivion right here, the Oblivion Remastered game. Then I'm going to right click on it. Then I'm going to click on manage right here and then browse local files. So click right here. Then find Oblivion Remastered, this one right here, right click on it. Then what you're going to do in here is to just click on properties, click on details, actually click on compatibility right here, and then you need to make sure that this one run this program as an administrator. This one should be on, so toggle this one on, click on apply, click on OK. Now we can now go into the game, so I'm just going to open up the game itself. There is still one more thing that we have to do. So I'm just going to open up the game and just going to click on OK here. And when the game is going to run, we're going to click on Control, Shift, and then Escape. So do this. And then you should be able to see this one right here. So as you can see, now we can just actually click on details right here. Scroll down. Let's see if this is the correct one, because I have to find Oblivion Remastered here. So here is the Oblivion Remastered, the one that takes the most CPU. Here you're going to right click on, set priority, then click on high. Change priority. And now on the game itself, we can now do like this. I'm going to see if I'm just going to actually go into the game itself. Sorry. So I'm just going to load a save here, just a random save, just to demonstrate to you what we have to do. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds here. And then click on escape. Right here, as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So click on this computer, firstly click on a system here, then click on this computer icon right here, scroll down, and have your quality level set to low, because sometimes this can also fix this issue as well. So set the quality to low, and then just save it, and after that try to play, and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.